Starting and running a business in the 21st century isn't that complicated. Of course, managing, scaling, competing, which is something that you can avoid if your business has that monopoly mindset, is another thing. All of which are things that we can learn, we can improve on, we can constantly work on. Here's the deal. Every Wednesday, you and I are going to be talking about starting and running your business. And that means idea conception, demand analysis, marketing, sales, strategic moves, basically all things relating to business. So here's what I want you to do, okay? If you're part of my Facebook page, then, start inboxing questions relating to business, okay, that we can talk about every Wednesday on the show. Also, okay, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we put up a new video, okay? So go ahead and do that. I'm Moses from Zeret Network, and I'll see you on Wednesday.